This is Che Pope, here to talk today about how I use autotune.
Summer breezes fill the air.
I would say 99.9% of the time it's used for vocals. But slowly over time, I started experimenting with it. I'd be in these high pressure situations, whether it was with Kanye or whether it was with Dre. I found it as an immediate solution of tuning my drums, especially when I was in a rush. I think autotune can be used in so many different ways that it is so underused as. So let's start. I want you to guys hear what I started with and how I built around it. And now, because I've got autotune on both of them, they're in harmony, where they were really clashing before. Now I'm going to play you a little bit more of the track. All right, so this chapter, I'm going to show you from scratch how I would approach manipulating a sample and then incorporating autotune to help me build out the track. Now I can make this real dramatic. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some of the bass of that sample, push up her vocals a little bit, filter the top of it off. And then I'm going to add some strings to just add the drama. But the point is now that I'm in a key that I can, manipulate, that I like the sound of it, and I really want to start isolating the vocal in the sample and then building an original track from that with some drama.
Summer breeze.